Alright guys, we got a bad urine job here. It honestly smells worse than it looks, but went ahead and got this house as dark as we could get it for now. I'm going to hit it with a black light here. Yeah, oh, there's a real good one. There's some more. Not really that visible to the naked eye. This is good nylon, and as bad as it is, pretty certain I can fix it. Customer's got the good moisture proof padding down, so I know a lot of this has not been getting into the pad. Been staying in the carpet. Good 60-ounce nylon. And that's the thing, can't always fix every urine job, but certainly can at least make them better. But this one I think we can fix, and we'll give it the full pet package here and get this back into good shape.